Welcome to another episode of Travel with Eddie. On this episode, we're exploring Phuket. We're driving from Bangkok all the way down to Phuket to go to 3 beaches over the next 3 days. I hope you enjoy this video. So, on our first day, we were driving all over Thailand. It took us about 18 hours. In fact, I was nervous driving a car for the first time in Thailand, but boy was it fun. It was especially beautiful when we got to the hotel, and I'm excited to share this with you. Driving into Phuket was quite the experience. It's a beautiful city, it feels real beachy, and the vibe was just serene. In Phuket, we stayed at the Nature Hotel and Resort. I would highly recommend it. The room was absolutely gorgeous. And guess what? We got it for only $30. Now you may ask, how the heck was that possible? I use an app called Expedia. If you want to get great deals, check out Expedia. I'll leave a link in the description below. It's day 1, and it's time to explore and go hit the beach. We're feeling a little hungry, so I think we're gonna take a walk down to the closest restaurant.
Tea?
Gigi.
Tea?
Yeah. I think so.
Alright, we made it to Phuket. Obviously everyone raves about it, so I had to come check it out, and it's beautiful. I prefer Krabi. That province is just serene, you know, you've got a lot of nature, and it's just very tranquil. But this is awesome too, and yeah, I hope you enjoy the photos and the video. Cool. How do you like it? Good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fine. I often wondered why Thailand is so therapeutic and stimulating to my senses. It's absolutely a sensory attack when you come here for the first time, but after a while you get used to the sounds of the cars and scooters and just the Thailand ambience. And if you really need that ASMR experience, I would recommend watching more of these videos on Travel with Eddie. saw the Andamantra Resort and Villa complex just across from the restaurant, and I think this is the next place we're gonna try out when we get back to Phuket. Another Phuket video is dropping soon, so be sure to check out the channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll know exactly when we post that video. So I took a little photo shoot. I got some good shots. I'm particularly proud of this one. That one's nice too. And that's the Nature Phuket Resort from the distance right there. So enjoy the sunset with me, and we're gonna go straight into day 2. Patong Beach, Phuket, an absolute must-see if you're ever in the area. There's a great nightlife presence here, as well as a lot of cultural experiences that you can indulge in. A lot of tourists come here to enjoy the sense of Thailand. There's a lot of English-speaking people at these stores, so it makes the experience a little easier. However, I personally enjoy learning the language and really immersing myself in the experience. Believe me, that's the best way to learn, in my opinion. Now, if you're an adrenaline junkie and you dare to take on life and get a little out of your comfort zone, then this is exactly what you should be doing. I don't even know what it's called. I'm just gonna say parachuting into heaven. You can find these guys on Patong Beach, and you can just talk to them, get the price, and hop on one of these little sky flying things and fly away into the sunset. I absolutely loved this sunset. It reminded me of a peaceful place, where the warmth just graces my skin. But I especially liked day 3, and that is because we discovered this little gem hidden in Thailand called Nai Han Beach, Phuket. On our way back to Krabi, we discovered this little place. We wanted to get a bite to eat, so we went to 7-Eleven. As we got some refreshments and some food in our belly, we walked down to the shaded restaurant area and just sat and enjoyed the view. I decided to go down to the water and get some extra shots for you guys. So I'm gonna shut my mouth now so you can just relax and enjoy the beautiful ASMR experience here. This was something particularly that I found very meditative. Another thing I have to point out is how crystal clear this water is. It's just so refreshing to the soul, the senses, and you can smell the salt in the air. Absolutely incredible. On the next episode, we hit Chicken Island. So, you gotta come along for this one, guys. It's gonna be absolutely awesome. The water was even more clear here. And man, did they serve us a great lunch here. I even got Anne to feed me. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please press the like button, hit subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I post new videos as I travel. I'll be doing more videos on Thailand, the US coming up soon, and also South Africa. Then I look forward to seeing you again. Ciao.